Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV news. Now, these are the videos that I made on TikTok regarding Izingani Zestembu. Tell me, what are your views? What are your opinions? Ezinye, I'm a little bit behind, but you can never be too late for Umkosinyana. So please do like, share, and subscribe, and add your opinion while you edit.
And then yabo fello bazalwane re mmerekong bathong re ka swa ke ditaba tsa ha se sentsa rena. Okay, indaba ka Tirelo, right? Tirelo disclosed that Uphuza iphilisi, and I see people judging her, and I'm like, guys, even you who say your men are faithful, monogamy or you can never be too sure. You can never be too sure because you're not with the person 100% around. So even if she was not necessarily with Usbindi, Mina applaud her for taking a prep and protecting herself, considering Gucci she's not using Irab, right? So we're not going to be judgmental on Tirelo on that part. No. However, the way if you've like looked at it, when Utirelo came in, she was so calm. Everything was like nedifeta ko yena. Go gafa mang, go gafa Vuyokazi. Re makala re bathong. Vuyokazi ya understanding Vuyokazi no ke mang ke Tirelo in this sense. Vuyokazi was fighting for a person to bull a bullet before her, who was Ichichi elangena sputuputu, right? Utirelo is fighting ukuthi amahle una 5 months atola no Sibindi and already yolotsholo. Same thing. But now, because of when it was done by Vuyokazi was called desperate. See how she says she made a live Utirelo where she was explaining that not everything was played. However, the words, you said them. And those words were the same words that Vuyokazi was saying. Whether virgin or not, she cannot come before me. You are not saying she cannot come before you, right? Because when you said you don't care, Utirelo, she doesn't care about the numbers. But she's still complaining about the new girl being Lopodlat while she's new. And she's in a relationship of 4 years. And not Usbindi calling Miss Priority. Karabathong. Njani manje? When did we get there? Okay, the Bubesi part, vele, she's bound to be a Bubesi because right now she's the one that understands the shoes that she's in, right? She now understands she's now the one who girlfriends are being introduced to her. And let's be honest, it's not a nice pill to swallow. Like in Zimanyan. Okay. Hey, like Sibindi, Artweleng Bumelelo. Aramutweleng Bumelelo, Reneng Fati Rikutseng, because wow. But I think Uguti, the one lesson that Utirelo is learning is that men will always do what they feel Uguti it's right, even though the right does not necessarily bring the bigger picture. And men will use what they believe to be the bigger picture, the right way to do things, even if it's not the right way to do things. At this point, Usbindi ubona yena I bigger picture, ikwenza lokho. But what he's seeing is making the girlfriends, or yeah, they are girlfriends, to be in conflict. And for me, I was like, I'm not so happy. But I am more disappointed with Utirelo because she got into we saw her as a girl that does not care as long as yena azwelana nomuntu wakhe. So I did not think Uguchi she would address such. And the crash issue, if when your child must go to crash for 3,300 and your baby daddy is saying, I cannot afford it, Sisi, you need to pop up the money for yourself. Because one thing I will agree no spending, I would say your priorities are not the same. And relationships have taught me that, or the relationship that I'm in has taught me that my priority and his priority might not be the same thing all the time. So Usbindi would rather save that 3,300 and the baby comes, stays in Zumba and sleep the whole day, rather than taking 3,300 and taking the child to crash to learn certain things for a few hours and sleep the whole day. So our priorities are not the same. So I agree with him on that part. But on this episode, he mopped the floor with Utirelo, and particularly now, I'm disappointed with Utirelo, considering that Utirelo got in as that girl that does not care, as that girl that was like, whether he does this or doesn't do that, as long as he's with me and giving me my time, I'm fine about it. Next morning, it will be kish 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 kish. I understand the Virginia Sbindi. I tell it Tirelo kota fully. I tell it Bargimang Vuyogazi kota feeling. Relationships. Tlolang banna guys. Banna ki people with special needs 24/7.